Good morning, everybody. So, yeah, I haven't been trading a while. Yeah, I posted a pre-market video yesterday, but I haven't traded. I'm looking to trade today. Uh, thank God I haven't traded in the past few days. I mean, the market's been very choppy. So, one of the first things is you guys, or a majority of you guys, are not meditating. And it's basically like the magic pill. It'll keep you calm, it'll keep you focused throughout the trading day. Because if you can't keep calm, you can't keep your cool, you can't stay focused, you're not gonna understand the information, or you're gonna get sidetracked about the information the charts are presenting to you. Let's keep that clear. Please start meditating. Second thing, every day after you trade, for example, get off your computer, go hit the gym, go to work, go do something else, get your mind off of it, right? And come back and test or back test your trades. You have the on demand feature right here, this on demand feature, and go back. So basically, I think at today's market close, yesterday, you could trade yesterday. So figure out where you went wrong on your trade and correct it now. It's easy as that. It's nothing crazy, nothing hard. Just put in the work, consistency. Meditation with your journal will get you a long way, especially if you're, I mean, not, yeah, especially if you're a day trader, it's going to take you a long way. Uh, but also, if you're a swing trader, long term investor, journal your stuff. I really recommend it. Meditation helps you keep your cool. Okay, now let's get started on today's pre-market. The three stocks that I'm looking at today is Netflix, Baba, and what other stock? And Tesla. Tesla is my favorite, if you guys haven't realized. But yes, let's go to Baba. So the reason I'm talking about Baba is because it's getting listed on the Hong Kong exchange. Uh, so basically, all the people in Hong Kong were not allowed to trade or even buy into the stock until today. That means there might be some long-term investors buying up. There might be uh, people shorting. We don't know. We trade direction, but I see a lot of upside to Baba, so I can see a lot of long-term investors stepping in. So what happens when long-term investors step in? We get price action towards the upside. Uh, so let's start with the 3-year chart, and let's take a zoom out. So the stock is trading around here, right? We have a solid resistance. Let me just clear this chart real quick. We have pretty solid resistance right here, right here. A lot of choppiness over here. Okay, so 186. Now, we seen this. This is the daily chart. We seen this Buyers are indecisive. Buyers and sellers are indecisive. Buyers were aggressive. Next day, sold off, picked back up. Now we're holding a 186 level. So, for me to get into the stock, I'd say if it breaks 188.50, be a solid move up. Why? Why do I say that? Is because our next resistance is at 194.50. And obviously, we have some downplay to the downside 179, 178, 75. So we might have a nice move up. Now, let's hop into the 5 minute chart and see what's going on. Uh, yeah, we're on the 5 day, 5 minute. Awesome. Okay. So, look, guys, this is very clear cut and easy. So, you guys see the stock trading in this range. Right now, it is where you're getting orders at 184. So, it's going to the downside already. All right. So, this is how we prepare. I'm sorry, you gotta give my computer a second. Streaming takes a toll on my computer. Okay, so 187.16, a lot of indecisive. We got 187.79. And basically 186.50. All right, those are my lines for the top. This is the information presented to me in the last 5 days with 5 minute candlesticks. So each candle represents 5 minutes. Now, towards the downside, what do we have? What do we have? A lot of choppiness. So you guys better be careful. 185. I would say 184. 184. 183 basically. Just don't get faked out. Oh, I'm gonna keep it at 182.9. I like it there. And obviously, the low in the past 5 days is 181.37. So there you go. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now that we got our charts, if wow, nice. This is how you quickly fix it. Auto, that's it. So if the stock decides to head lower, right? Say it holds this, then breaks the first 5 minutes of the open, you know it's likely going to 182. But for example, it holds 184 throughout the day, it pushes up. You're not entering a position until it breaks 185.23. From 185.23, you have a 75 cents move up to 186. So, you know, it's very easy to trade direction. And you have the VWAP helping you. You have, obviously, you should be using volume, level 2, time and sales, and the time up here. Now, why I'm trading Baba is because it had good news. Well, it's getting listed on the second exchange. So I could see a lot of, I'm anticipating a lot of buyers, but it could all go to shit. This is why we're day traders and we trade direction. Do your own due diligence. Don't judge. This is what works for me. This is my strategy. It took me years to figure out my strategy and what works for me. Now it's time for you guys to figure out your strategy and what works for you. So, Baba, I'm liking it. It's on the watch for today. NFLX. Netflix. Okay. So this is why I'm liking Netflix. So reached the 295 level yesterday. Hit 296.12 around that general area. Same thing happened in aftermarket and pre-market. This 2 days ago, I apologize. Couldn't hold, sold off, pushed back up, sold off. So if you guys look back at the 1 year, right? We have the next support at 273.85, and I could see this. Well, it's on a nice uptrend right now. Uh, yeah, I could see this reversing and continuing to go down. Only, only if volume picks up, and this would be a more solid play, honestly, under 287. But I'm just gonna keep it in the back of my head that the 3 year 1 day got rejected, and we're looking for it to, or I am anticipating for it to range. So it's already at 292. A solid play if it goes under 287. That might happen in the next few days, but as you guys can see, the stock is ranging or consolidating or holding. So this might actually be a leg up. Think of it as a staircase. It's moving up. Look, it's holding for the past few days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the past 10 days, it's been holding this price range. We might see it go to the downside. We might see it go to the upside. But that's only going to happen when we actually trade the stock during the market. But I'm anticipating for it to go to the downside. And yeah, so I had earnings, sold off, basically recovered, and let me take a quick look. Even before earnings, it was selling off. So yeah, I might see this continuing to sell off, especially with Disney Plus and Apple TV Plus coming into the scene. We might see this even go more down to the downside. But this is in speaking terms over a long period of time. So yeah, Netflix is on watch. Baba is on watch. What else? Tesla. Okay, Tesla. I'm looking towards the upside. If it breaks 360 level, solid play. I mean, for me, if it breaks the 350 level, which it's trading right now at 353, 52.80, I'm looking at my screen for the first time, so I'm seeing where the orders are coming in right now. Yeah, this might be a solid move. I would have increments at every 50 cent level, uh, all the way up to 360. And I'm just gonna see. I already predicted that this was gonna go up. If it breaks 350, we might see it 360. Now, if the stock decides to reach 360 today, I want to see how that plays out. If it gets rejected there, we could play on the downside. If it continues, it could really rally. We might see it actually go up to like, yo, honestly, I didn't even expect Tesla to reach this level very quickly. Look, if you guys take a look, had a really nice move. It's trading almost what the highest was 380. Tesla really pushed up and has a lot of things going for it. So, yeah, we could see it hit 380 fairly quickly in the next coming weeks. So, I like trading Tesla. Let's see what happens. Take it easy, guys. Please meditate. Please journal. Keep your cool. And also, I will be talking in the Discord today. Holler at me. Let's talk. And yeah, come trade with me. So I'll see you guys in the recap of today. Later.